Old Plymouth pickup. A 39. All right. Wow. Look at the way the back window is. That is like so cool. Neat. All right. Look at that. Antique engine and tractors. Ah, East Madison. All right. Really nice. Oh, look at the inside. All right, split windshield. Very cool. See how the top is? Beautiful split windshield in the front here. Tiny little windshield. Sanford and Son special here. Cool. Really nice. Look at that. That's a cool one. Okay. Love it, love it. Really neat. All right. Well, I hope you've enjoyed my bringing you this old one. Got a little bit of everything at this show here. Really cool. Neat.
This antique truck carried that antique engine.
Ah, carry that little engine in. All right, all kinds of engines and chainsaws and a whole bunch of little things here. The old chainsaw. Bobcat.
Hey, how you doing? Good, you? Good.
Wow. Haha, motorboat. That's an old one. 85 horsepower.
No, 0.85.
0.85, yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a little.
Horsepower, yeah.
There's a little zero right there. 0.85. Whoa, that's tiny.
It might be too big to power a dinghy.
To power a dinghy.
Yeah, people that know boats know that term.
Okay.
It's just a small, tiny boat. That's basically what it is. So small they nickname it dinghy.
Cool. Look at that. That neat. Awful tiny. Wow. It's got what, 2 blades. That is cool. That and a few of these old chainsaws. All right. Well, I hope you've enjoyed my bringing these all to you. Be sure to sub me. Join me as a friend.
No, that's the same.
Alrighty.
Pretty much the same platform.
Bye-bye.
This is going to down.